I'm going to speak to you about Kieran Bell's bike.
There you go, Matty.
Okay, I'm Matthew Raitt and I'm here to talk to you about Kieran Bell's bike. So, what is on this bike, you might say? Well, it's got a front wheel, like most, and it's got your hand holder. 361 I might add. Right, and then you've got basic Y frame. Nothing special really about that. Moving on to the bike, you've got this thing, fucking useless anyway. You've got seat, pointless yet again. You've got your foot compartments. And I'll tell you what, right, they're quite lengthy foot compartments compared to normal bikes. That's a selling point for me. You've got your back wheel. Yeah, again, like most bikes have a back wheel. Not all of them, but most of them. And you've got here very basic double V frame to hold your back tyre in place. You've got a chain. I would tell you how many links is in the chain, but I can't count that high. And you've got your middle wheel with very sharp teeth, which is good. It's good to have sharp spikes on your middle wheel because it locks in the chain better. Alright. And also you've got your beams for your for your wheels. And I think that's pretty much it on Kieran Bell's bike. Was it missing? Oh fuck, side poles! Where are your side poles?
Tell us what these are. That's what he's on about.
Side poles. We'll get them in the mortar. And yeah, that's the basic bike. Apart from, obviously, if you were fucking awesome, you could have a 360 double V frame.
360 double V frame.
Yeah, like the 360 Y frame, but on the double V.